Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design simple part in SolidWorks. We have a drawing we want to export for sketch to solid part. Just start it, open the SolidWorks, and first we want to begin from front plane. So right click on front plane and click sketch. In here we use the millimeter unit. Click the millimeter unit in here. Then we want to draw like this. We want to select the line. Draw line like this. Draw line like this. This, and this. Then we set the length of this line is 140. Just input 140. This length is 90 millimeter. Then this length we want to select from the center of hole is 51 millimeter, like this. Then don't forget this line and this line have angle in 60 degree, like this. Then in this line have the thickness in 19 millimeter of the high 19 millimeter. This line and this length is 19 millimeter too, but in this line have a length in 18, input in 18 millimeter, like this. And in here is automatically is the 90 degree, in here 90 degrees too, and in here 120 or angle degree. Okay. After we ensure all dimension, you can see again in here have a radius or fillet. So select the sketch fillet. Fillet parameter we can change in 6 millimeter. Click this point and click OK. Click this point again to make fillet, but in here have fillets radius 5 millimeter. So in here we can change in 5 millimeter. Just click OK, like this. After we input all dimension from the front plane like this, we just do the feature and click extrude boss. For direction we can change in mid plane. For symmetry part, in here the thickness is 64. So input in here 64 millimeter. Just click OK. It is so simple. After that we want to make a half of circle like this. So select this or click this face, right click and click sketch, and draw 3-point arc. Select from this point to this point, draw it. Then set the dimension for the radius. In here is radius 32 millimeter. 32 millimeter. Then make line this point to this point to make a line, and go to feature extrude boss again. But in here direction we can change in blind. Reverse the direction like this. Click. The thickness is 18. In here is 18 millimeter, like this, and click OK. It's so simple. Then select this face again and click sketch. We want to make two circle in here. Ensure center of the circle and this edge or this half of circle. Click make concentric, and automatically center in here is. So this edge and this point is 51 millimeter, appropriate this drawing, like this. And this center of the is 32 millimeter, appropriate a half of 64. Okay, it's so simple. Just set the dimension. One dimension in here. Set first circle have radius 19 millimeter. The second of circle have radius 32 millimeter. Then Select the corner rectangle, draw like this. Ensure this point of center of corner rectangle and click this point of center of the part. Click make horizontal automatically in here on the center. Just click in here the length on the width of the cut in here is 22 millimeter. Then convert entities for this edge. Click OK. Trim entities this length, this length, this length, this length, and this length, and the last is this length. We just need sketch like this. After that, we can go to feature and extrude cut. For first select contour, we select this sketch and this sketch have a depth of the cut in 6 millimeter. So change in 6 millimeter like this and just click OK. Like this. Then see again sketch 3. Click extrude cut again. Select contour, select this tube like this. The depth is 90 millimeter. Change in 9 millimeter like this and just click OK. Then see again sketch 3 and extrude cut again. For select contour, we can select this center to make a hole, but in here direction we can to change in up to next until this face like this. Direction is up to next and click OK, and done. It's so simple. But in here have a cut again like this. So select this face, right click and click sketch. We can make a center line, draw center line for center of part in it. For this point to this point, make a line in here. Sorry, make line in here like this. Make a line so until here. Make center line in here. Ensure the center line is make horizontal. And set the dimension. The center line and this line have a slope or angle in 30 degree. This point and this point have a half of the part. We just to make a half of sketch. So the half of 42 is 21 millimeter. Automatically this point and this point have distance 11 millimeter like that, like this. So this line and this line have thickness or thickness of cut is 6 millimeter. After that, in here automatically, after that we just to make a cut using feature the extrude cut. Before that we can see again. Sorry that. We can to sketch a mirror entities. Entities mirror, select this line and this line, and mirror about select this center line and just click OK. After that we can go to feature and extrude cut. For direction we can change in through all. Just click OK and done. It's simple, so simple like this, because in through all until bottom face. Then don't forget in here have a through all and so on. So right click on this face and click sketch. Make a circle in here. To circle. Ensure this circle, this point and this point to make vertical, and send the center of hole and this center of part to make vertical too. Then this circle and this circle click make equal because they have the same diameter in 13 millimeter. Set the dimension of the circle in 13 millimeter. This. Set the distance. This edge to this center point have distance in 28. This circle and this circle have distance in 29, like this. Then go to feature and click extrude cut. Direction is through all and click OK, and done. It's simple. So we just to make a sketch like this in here. We can see in here this face and this face, the distance is 33. So to make feature, to go to feature and click reference geometry, we want to make new plane, click a plane. First reference, click this face, but in here we can to flip offset, click checklist with offset to change the direction. In here the distance in here, this face is 33 millimeter, and click OK. We just to make new plane. The name plane is plane 1. Right click on the new plane on the plane 1 and click sketch. After that we want to make circle, two circle like this. Ensure the center of circle and this center of part will make vertical. Then the center of the circle and until this face, the distance is 25 millimeter, like this. Then set the diameter. The first diameter is 19 millimeter. The second circle have diameter in 38 millimeter. Then make a line, draw like this. Ensure this line, right click and make vertical, and this line and this circle ensure click on make tangent. This line and this circle ensure to click make tangent too. After that we just to make sketch like this, go to feature and extrude brush. First select contour, we select this bottom sketch in here like this. The thickness is 16 millimeter. We can change. Direction is blind in 16 millimeter, like this. Click OK. See again sketch 6 and click extrude brush again. Click this tube or the cylinder. The direction is blind. The thickness in here is 19 millimeter. Just click OK. Click OK. OK. It's just to make simple like this. So we can hide this plane. We can see in here we can to make another sketch like this. They have same thickness 19, 16. So we just to mirror this part of this feature. Sketch using, we want to make feature again and click reference geometry, click plane. We want to make new plane. First plane, we can click this face. In here the distance is 29, but we want to mirror, so we just half of 29 is 14.5 millimeter. Just click OK. Then we can to mirror using mirror and mirror feature to mirror. We can click extrude brush 3 and extrude brush 4. For mirror face or plane, ensure we click in plane 2 in here, the new plane we just made, and just click OK, and done. It's so simple. We can to hide this plane 2. We can to check in here the distance, evaluate, measure in here. This face and this face have distance, normal distance is 29, appropriate this drawing. So simple. After that we can to change the color of this part. Maybe we can select all. Maybe the color is yellow. Click OK. Change again the color, the gray of the whole the face of hole in here. Click, sorry, to hole, for hole. Click OK and change again the color, maybe face white for this cut. This, and this, and this. Just click OK. And done. We just to make simple part from the SolidWorks. We just exercise drawing for beginners like this. I hope this tutorial help you to learning to start SolidWorks drawing. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.